people, it's me Amna back again and welcome back. आज सुबह सुबह मैं इंटरव्यू दे के आई हूँ, so go and watch that vlog first. और हम लोग अभी रात आए हैं दुआ के साथ, दुआ सिटिंग है और वी आर हियर एट कैंट फ्रेडी फूड स्ट्रीट. मेरा कब से प्लान था, कब से, आई कैन नॉट टेल यू एंड आई कैन नॉट wait to show you guys about this food street. This is little cozy type and that, you know, जो best friends के साथ आने वाली food street होती है बिल्कुल वैसे. So yes, I'm very excited. Let's start the vlog and explore this. One thing I really like about this food street के नाहीद के बिल्कुल सामने है. Of course, it's my first time exploring नाहीद as well. And नाहीद के साथ this is KFC, जिसके साथ ही ये फूड स्ट्रीट बनी हुई है. So that's the location. Trust me, as soon as you will sit on your spot, आपके पास इतने सारे मेन्यू आपकी टेबल पे रख दिए जाएंगे जिसमें से आपको चूज़ करना पड़ेगा. एंड हम लोग हमेशा रात में गए हैं तो हमें फूड स्ट्रीट में हमेशा दैट रश मिला है, लेकिन इतना ज़्यादा भी नहीं कि चलने की जगह ना हो, बट दैट मिनिमल रश जो एक्चुअली फूड स्ट्रीट्स पे होता है, जैसे बंस रोड साइड पे भी और यहाँ भी. मोर ओवर द प्लेस इज़ लाइक सो कोजी. आई लव साइन बोर्ड्स हर जगह, जैसे नियॉन कलर्स वाले साइन बोर्ड्स होते हैं, एवरीथिंग, एंड यू हैव अ वास्ट वैरायटी to choose from. I think the food street is based upon everyone preferences, desserts, desi, barbecue, fast food, everything that I've always tried. And in this video, I've tried almost 10 dishes. So just wait and watch because हम लोग अपनी family के साथ गए थे and with the budget. I'll tell you the budget in the end कि वो सब कितने का आया था and everything, and you will be really shocked because when I calculated everything, I was also very shocked. हम लोग बस order करते गए थे जिसको जो खाना था, and in the end that summed up to almost 10 dishes. The largest spot or the restaurant you'll find here is the Cremello, and I love कि उन्होंने अपना अलग से पूरा sitting area बनाया हुआ है with this beautiful vibe inside it. My very first dish was a chicken chow mein. I cannot tell you how yummy these were. दुआ मैंने ये मैंने दुआ को recommend किया था because मैंने पिछली दफ़ा भी ये try किए थे. And if you're going there on my recommendation, must try this. This is like a must dish you could have. The price is affordable. It's just of 500 rupees and the amount is suitable for 2 to 3 persons, I would say. Perfect amount of spice, perfect amount of sauce, everything. And मैंने उज़ैर को भी try करवाए थे, of course. गरम थे इस वजह से उसका मुंह बन रहा था, but the taste was 10 on 10. Okay, so I ordered this burger. The burger was nice, but I would rate it like a 6.5 out of 10. The sauce was इतनी नहीं थी, or it was like more of a dry type of burger. मेरी burgers में choice हमेशा ही ऐसी क्यों होती है. Omar ordered the shawarma. It was nice and juicy. I would rate it a 8 out of 10. I could not remember the exact price, but it was around 350 to 400 for the price. It was quite nice because Zinger shawarma tha, not the normal one, and it was huge for one person. So आपका एक अच्छा meal हो जाता है इतने में. Trust me when I say कि Hangout से अच्छा कोई burger नहीं होता. If you're going for burgers, Hangout का burger is the bestest burger you can ever had. 100 on 100. Mama ordered Hangout ka zinger wrap. Again, it was like 10 on 10. So yummy, so saucy. And I guess wraps जो है ना वो Hangout और burgers भी I'll go with Hangout. Look at this amazing beautiful dish. It was from Dynamite जहाँ से हमने अपना चाउमीन मंगवाया था. The dish was 10 on 10, trust me. These were dumplings. हमने ज़्यादातर चीज़ें Dynamite से ही मंगवाई थी because I think Dynamite is the best spot if you want to have Chinese, including the sushi as well. So dumplings were nice, but इसका जो outer layer था वो थोड़ी ज़्यादा thick थी. If it would have been thin, it would have been more yummy. I'm personally the biggest fan of slushes, लेकिन this was the peach slush and नहीं था अच्छा. Like मैंने दो दफ़ा slush try किए and no, it was a no. Cremello का Oreo shake, I would rate it a 9 out of 10. ज़्यादा sweet था, but it was so yummy and delicious. I would surely try it again. ये तो मैंने मंगवाया. These waffles, I don't remember the place, but if you look around the Dynamite के आसपास ही कहीं थे ये waffles and it was 100 on 100. This was the last dessert we had and it was so yummy. This was all for today and the last thing जो मैंने आपको शुरू में बताई थी, the budget was 4,960 in total. So for this much budget कहीं पे अच्छी food street जाना was my dream and I had this today. For some people it might look a lot, but for me I guess it was reasonable जहाँ पे हमने इतनी सारी dishes खा ली थी. So yes, meet you in the next vlog. Allah Hafiz.